Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how you can add someone or anyone or your ads guy, your Google Ads media buyer marketing agency to your Google Ads account to gain access and manage your Google Ads account. So first of all, normally they will give you their emails, so you collect their emails. When you collect their emails, or if they didn't give you their emails, you request for their emails. Then you come to tools and settings, you click on access and security. So wait for it to load, wait for it to load. So yeah, so when it loads, they've given you their email. You copy the email and you click on this plus line. You make sure this is on users. Click it, make sure it's on users. Click plus. Input their email to test@gmail.com. So you come here, don't give them admin access because you are the admin. Just give them standard access. Or you can give them admin access if they are an agency whereby they need to add the person that needs to work on the specific particular campaigns. Maybe the person that can manage shopping campaigns is different from the person that can manage search campaigns. So you click on standard, you click send invitation. So when you click confirm, so when you click send invitation, skip. When you click send invitation, they'll receive a link in their email, and when they accept it, they will gain access and they will gain access to your other account. So it's very easy. No need to hustle or do anything about it. It's super easy. So yeah, that's how to give someone access to your Google Ads Manager account the easier way.